Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare masala prawn fry recipe. The ingredients required to prepare this recipe are: I have taken here 300 grams of prawns. I have cleaned them nicely, washed it, cleaned it, and have taken out the head and all. This is 2 medium size onions. I have sliced them. 12 to 15 curry patta leaves, small piece of lemon, 3 green chilies. I have slitted them like this. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, salt as per our taste. I'll be using mustard oil to prepare my recipe. And here in the dry spices I have taken 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. This you can add more. And I have taken 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Now the first step to prepare this masala fry prawn is you will first add all the dry spices, squeeze the lemon, add the ginger garlic paste, and you will mix it. Do not add salt now, as it will start leaving water and the mixture will become very liquidy. So just mix it nicely, all the spices. After mixing it, friends, nicely the masala should coat the shrimps properly. Now we will keep this aside for near about half an hour. Just leave it aside for half an hour. Now friends, after half an hour, I have kept it aside for half an hour. After half an hour, I will add salt as per our taste. And now I will mix it again. Now here I have heated 1.5 tablespoon of oil, and now I will add the curry patta to it. And along with the curry patta, I'm going to add the sliced onions, we'll slightly cook this. Till our onion becomes slightly pinkish in color or it becomes little soft. Now friends, our onion got slightly cooked. This is the time I will add the marinated prawns. Reduce the flame when you're adding the prawn to the karai. Add the green chilies. And now we will mix and fry these prawns along with this onion, chili, curry patta over a medium flame first. Now friends, after frying it for near about 6 to 7 minutes, you can see it had started leaving oil. Now I'll increase the flame and I will saute it for another 2 minutes over high flame. So our masala prawn fry is now ready. I will put off the flame and transfer it to the serving bowl. Here is our yummy prawn masala fry ready. Very easy recipe friends, and very yummy also. I hope you liked my recipe. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. You can savor this with rotis or boiled rice. So it'll have a very nice flavor. Do try this recipe at home, friends. And I'm sure you will love this. If you like it to be more spicy, you can increase the amount of green chilies. See you soon, friends. Bye.